The King Canada 8380 10-inch sliding compound miter saw is a versatile and powerful tool that can help you produce reliable and precise miter and bevel cuts on all your projects. Powered by a 15-amp motor with 3 inches by 13 3/4 inches of straight cut capacity at 90 degrees, this saw can handle most material sizes, and the twin laser guide system ensures predictable cuts every time. The 8380 can also handle bevel and miter cuts at up to 45 degrees on the left of the blade, allowing you to make compound cuts on crown molding and other complex projects without the use of jigs. The sturdy die-cast aluminum construction, sliding fence extrusions, and dual vertical hold-downs provide a sturdy and reliable work surface that will keep you making cuts confidently for years to come. The King Canada 10-inch sliding compound miter saw comes fully equipped with dust bag, socket wrench, and a 40-tooth carbide-tipped blade, giving you everything you need to make tight joints in picture frames, moldings, and more. To get your own 10-inch sliding compound miter saw, visit a King Canada dealer near you or check out the website at kingcanada.com.